So the other day I was filming a TikTok using tiny hands and it was extremely difficult. Then Christy walked in and told me she was also having trouble filming TikToks with giant hands.
And I, overhearing this conversation, decided to host a special slime competition.
We're gonna be putting our slime making skills to the test to see which is easier, giant hands or tiny hands.
Andrea's got the tiny hands and I've got the giant hands.
And whoever loses this challenge has to spend the rest of the day wearing their hands. So for the first challenge, we're gonna be seeing who can make the biggest slime bubble.
We've each got 3 attempts and Andrea's gonna go first.
I don't know if I want to go first, actually. I'm also a little concerned because why is my pile of slime as big as yours? Look at my hands. Okay, well, we'll try it the original way. I'm gonna scoop from here. My hands are too small. I can't do it. Can I get a redo?
You can have a redo.
I think I just did it from the wrong angle. I think I need to go from this way.
Almost had a good stretch there. All right, let me try. It's so hard. There's just so much extra finger.
It's better than not having enough finger.
Wait, okay, can I get a redo too? Okay, there's a bubble, there's a bubble, there's a bubble.
That's the way, I have one too, look. It's this little guy right here. I think we've tried the back and front. I think I need to go from like the middle and then we'll just do a really long, never mind. I didn't like that idea. I personally wasn't attached to it.
Wait, that's good.
No, that's a solid bubble. That's bigger than that one, right?
Yeah. Okay, gotta try to get some more stretch. Oh, actually, gonna try to bring it together.
I don't know if she's gonna beat me.
I got this.
Oh! That one's so much better than mine.
Beat that.
Third try. I think I'm just gonna try the back again because Christy came from the back and I think that it makes the most sense. Oh. Ha! Wait, look at that one.
Wait, that's actually, how did you do that with small hands? All right, this is my last chance. I have to beat Andrea. Okay. Come on. Oh no.
I was rooting for you. I was so excited. I was like, oh no, it doesn't count. So that means I won. I won! So Tiny Hands is up 1-0. You can't tell, but I'm holding up 1. This next challenge is gonna test our slime skills even further. We're gonna spin the wheel to get a slime texture, and whichever texture it lands on, we have to see who will dye it the fastest.
Whoever mixes in their dye first completely will win.
I'll go first. I'll spin the wheel first. I taped my hands on this time because I was tired of holding them. I hope it's like a clear slime or something really easy. I don't want a cloud slime.
Ha! Clear slime. Okay, my turn.
What are you hoping to get?
I don't know. I feel like the thick and glossy from before was pretty easy to handle, so I'm gonna hope for that.
It was a big spin.
It was for the big hands.
You're committed to this spin.
Oh, bingsu. Okay. I feel like it'll probably be pretty easy to handle with the big hands. It won't stick too much. I think that was the problem from before.
Your time starts in 3, 2, 1.
Wait, I went too soon.
Okay.
I'm gonna dye mine pink.
I'm gonna dye mine blue.
Wait, I want this one.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry, I accidentally dropped that.
Oh, that's spilling all over the, should I try to?
Yeah, clean it up.
I don't want to get my whole hands dirty.
You don't have to, Christy.
I didn't want it to spill. I guess it will be partially pink also.
Oh, that one was pink? I thought it was red, that's why I threw it.
Oh, really?
Up and at 'em. Come on. I chose one without a lid because I don't know if I can actually open a lid. How much dye are you using? That was enough dye, I think. Stay there.
It's not coming out. Do I just get a different dye? I'm just gonna steal.
Do we want to go again?
You're on an early lead. I see a little bit of clear spots there.
You literally see nothing. It's obviously done. Check it.
Oh, shoot.
Check it.
I feel like clear slime was a bit of a busted strategy because you were already done.
I know, I
Tiny
feel
Hands
bad.
wins.
Wait, is this like stuck or am I just weak?
Oh my God. I think she chose a closed one. Score recap. I have 2. None.
I have 0.
These are 2 of our holiday slimes, which are currently sold out in the shop, which makes these last 2 bins super rare.
So we're gonna be trying to pack as many as we can for 5 minutes, and whoever packs the most wins.
3, 2, 1. Timer started. 5 minutes on the clock.
I was told not to use my hands like shovels. I don't really know what that means, but I'm gonna try to do better this time.
Oh, you know, since the hands are so big, what if I just put them all at the top at the same time? It covers so much area.
Wait! But look at how clean mine are. Mine are just nice and delicate in their little cups. So I'm packing peppermint hot cocoa. This one smells like peppermint hot cocoa. And it has these cute little beads in it.
I'm packing the Build a Snow Bunny, and it's a cute cloud slime that's scented like blue raspberry. What's going on?
You didn't see anything.
Does this count?
Now I'm gonna come around and judge once the timer's up and count legal slimes. So you better be doing this right.
Just a small.
I
tried to use my actual
no
fingers.
actual control over the top of
Just
my
a
finger.
small sprinkle.
We'll just try to pour them.
There you go.
Okay, pouring works. Pouring works. Oh.
So like I said before, just a small sprinkle of peppermint per slime.
I have to win this one at least. This is my redemption arc.
How are you doing, Christy? Do you have a lot of slimes packed?
That is a great question. I can only really use the palms, so.
I can only use the tips of my fingers. I also lost all my sprinkles.
That is time. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. It's time for me to come in and see just how
I
many
should've
slimes
put
each of you
more.
have packed. Yeah, I'm not seeing a lot of sprinkles. Also
Did
seeing
you
a lot
forget
of,
about the
a lot
sprinkles?
of gaps. She got a couple.
I was gonna save them.
I'm seeing one. We'll count it. This one's your best one. That's your prized possession here. That's 2. I'm seeing this one over here in the corner. That's 3.
I got this one.
Oh, okay, 4. Yeah, I missed that one. You're right. Some of them are packed right. It looks like you kind of just punched
Can I
down some
have
slime.
half points for the non-sprinkles?
I'll give you half points.
I think that's fair.
So probably like 5 here. So 5 plus 4, that's 9. But then we have to go to Andrea over here and see what she's
I
working
have
with.
many sprinkled slimes. Please look at them.
What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's only about 5 sprinkles
That's
in
all
there.
I had.
So I'm not gonna count it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, which means Andrea wins by 2 slimes. Tiny Hands is now up 3-0. So we're gonna initiate a hand swap.
A hand swap.
For the rest of the video, Andrea will now be
No!
Giant Hands and Christy will now be Tiny
Oh, the
Hands.
small hands are doing so well, though.
Nice. For this challenge, behind my back, I have 3 mystery charms. And in front of me, we have a mystery bin of a bunch of randomly assorted charms with a couple of these mystery charms that are behind my back mixed in with those. Your job with your tiny hands and your giant hands is to find one of each of these 3 different charms behind my back. First one to get one of each is the winner. I'm gonna reveal in 3, 2, 1. Panda, a dinosaur.
Oh, we're finding different
flower
things.
axolotl.
Oh wait, are we all finding the same things?
I
Yep.
guess so.
Wait, is there only one of each?
No, there's multiple.
What?
I have a panda in here. Panda. I like these little links. These are quite cute.
Keep licking
It's my
charms.
hands. I can't help it.
Oh, I found the dinosaur. See? Oh, I found him. I got the axolotl. Here he is.
One more, Chris, you need the panda.
Everything just looks like gummy bears.
Oh.
Axolotl.
I got the panda.
Wait, was that your last one?
Yeah,
Oh, no.
yeah.
Here
This is my
I'm
last
going
one.
too
So
slow.
that means 1 round to Christy. It's now 3-1. Tiny Hands are still undefeated.
For this challenge, we're doing a slime toss.
For each toss, we're gonna be taking a step back. So whoever drops it first loses. Ready?
Yeah. We both step back? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give you a gentle toss, okay?
I'm gonna try.
Oh!
There we go.
Okay.
Both step back.
Step back. Nice.
Okay.
Step back.
Dude,
My tiny
with your
hands.
tiny little hands.
Come on. Bring it.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Can you stop moving your hands, please?
Nice. Step back.
I feel like I have the biggest hands. There's no way I'll lose this game.
Oh, I'm sorry. That was not a good toss.
I have some left.
Step back.
Here.
Okay.
Oh.
I still caught. I caught
She
something.
still has it?
Yeah, I caught it.
Nice.
There's so little left. Okay. Oh, okay, that's not bad.
Oh, she got.
I have big hands. I'm gonna fling it off the fingers.
I caught it. I caught a piece.
So small now. What the heck?
I don't actually know if I can catch that.
Okay. Here it goes.
No! I was so close.
Woo! Tiny Hands won.
That means it's now 3-2, Andrea,
I'm still winning. It's fine.
with it all to play for in the final round. So currently for the scoreboard, Tiny Hands clearly is better than Giant Hands. But in terms of people scores, Andrea's up 3-2 against Christy. So to give Christy a fighting chance, we're gonna make this last round worth double points.
Yes. What?
The challenge here is to recreate a slime. Now the slime that you're recreating is behind my back. You'll have 10 minutes to do each, don't look. And your timer starts in 3, 2, 1. Good luck.
Oh, I know. Do we have to dye the slime too?
Yes.
I
Okay.
have questions.
Do we get it from scratch or from the bases?
So it's definitely clear. Thank you for assisting me. I see we're both going in the same direction.
Oh gosh, I can't even grab that much.
So I get a nice chunk of that. And then where's the icy? I feel like I can't say anything out loud. I'm gonna help her. I'm gonna hide the icy so she can't find it.
This will take multiple trips of grabbing some clear slime.
So I'm gonna dye these first since I'm already here. Is this a slime we even sell? I don't know if we sell that. It's cute though, 10 out of 10. So I'm thinking it's blue and she's catching up.
I am grabbing.
I need a, oh my God, I didn't mean to do that. You know what, we'll make purple, it's fine. She didn't get the icy. That's a lot of colors.
I could only lift it by this.
I didn't see any purple, so I'm just gonna make a purple. So my tactic is, since these things are so big, you just have to like really go at it, you know?
All right, how do I get this open?
Needs more purple. I've never made a slime faster in my life.
What's that on the top? Is that cloud?
I don't know. What is it? Little does she know, I know the textures by looking at them. Oh, hey, that's pretty good actually.
What are you looking for?
Whatever's on the top, where's that icy?
Now we'll take this clear, sans this ugly part.
I think icy.
There you go.
I'm gonna ruin some of this slime right here, just to grab some.
I don't think this is the right blue, quite honestly, but I think it's very similar. No! Wait, it's too blue. So I'm gonna say that's good enough. I really don't wanna waste time getting more.
I'm running behind.
You are running behind. Is that,
purple.
it's too dark. I think he's gonna judge me. I think he's gonna be upset. That's my purple!
I need it.
Cameraman, run backward faster. Okay, we just need a fresh blob of clear. Nova, please calm down.
All right, I've still got a chance to catch up.
So we're just gonna take this and put it like that.
How's your slime going?
It's pretty good. How was yours going? Oh yeah, no, you're doing good, you're doing good. Okay. And then we're gonna take our purple, which is now mysteriously turned a different purple. Do you see this? I swear this was the same color purple when I left.
Cannot get the right shade because of all this blue though.
You just need more purple. I'll just add some purple over here for you in case you need it. Let me get a nice round shape so that it matches. I'm not sure what he's judging on, if he's judging on shape or if he's judging on like everything all together. Now we need the sprinkles.
I don't know how you mix so fast.
Feeling confident?
No.
So we have to go to Charmville and get all of the different sprinkles. Are you coming? You staying here? We have to wait for Nova. Come on. We have a skeleton gummy bear. Oh wait, it has glitter in it. I wonder if I get bonus points if I find the glitter. Hold on.
I'll allow a bit of thievery.
A what? Oh, thievery.
Yeah.
Well, she's not using this.
Steal it on the edge.
Steal it.
Steal the stuff on the end. Steal
All the
that.
stuff. Okay.
I didn't want to make a mess, but I think we're just gonna just a pinch. I'm doing it on the ground, just a pinch. I think that's enough, right? Like that's a good amount of glitter. I feel like I should do everything on the ground just so that I don't drop everything. I feel like stars are in the general space themed area. Oh, just hold on a second. Just
Green stars, purple stars. I'll just go grab stars. green, purple, blue.
now we need little stars. Where are the little stars? I don't know where the little stars are. You know what, we're just gonna skip them. We're gonna do the sprinkle mix because I don't know where those are.
Which ones are they?
There's no rules to saying that you can't use the camera as a utility service.
If you know where all the stars are.
I don't. I haven't been here in a while.
Sprinkle mix isn't this aisle. Oh, did you just use that? Oh my God, we need a spoon or something. Is there a spoon around here? Wait, this is good. Come here.
Where she's going? What's she doing?
Pink.
What'd you find?
I don't know. What'd you find?
Wait, okay, yeah, these are the stars.
Are you copying me?
Well, we're making the same thing.
How's that? Okay. I don't know where these other two things are, and I feel like I'm gonna need time to make it pretty.
There's about 2 minutes left.
Okay.
Fair change.
Where are the gummies? Why are the gummies over here if the gummies are supposed to be over there? Oh, gummy words, cute. We'll take those. Now we're gonna go back.
There were bigger stars too.
Wait, I have an
There's no
idea.
more.
Ask
What's
Sophia.
that?
Sophia would know.
Okay, let's get that out of the way. I could not throw it, but it just feels correct, you know?
Here.
Were these
Where are
the
green
same?
ones?
They had like the.
There's a yellow, purple.
We need a singular charm. You just put it on there with precision. Put the glitter on. It's easier to do if you're closer to the items.
Honestly, just grab one more
Okay.
different color star and then it'll be good enough.
Where are the stars?
I'm going on a solo expedition to find them.
How's it going?
Not that great.
Did you find everything?
I did not. I could not find like half the stars.
I found a few stars. My fingers will not pick up anything.
It's like the stars outlines, but I didn't see any of them.
Now for the easy part. We just
1 minute left.
done.
I'm not done. How do I make this look decent? It's such a mess.
Where are your charms? Oh,
Here.
a cup.
Should I just try pouring it?
10 seconds.
Ah.
5, 4,
Just shove them in there.
3,
You know what? You already got one of those. It's good.
1, and
There's sprinkles on it. It's solid.
Okay.
Well, it's a little heavy. It's a little heavy. The charms are there though.
Yeah, at least the charms
Look
are
at the
on
weight
there.
on that.
It's a thick boy.
It's a hefty slime. Okay, so the blues are a little off. This one's darker than this one. And the purple is darker than this one. So you went a little heavy with the dye, but that's fine. The spirit is there. Charms wise, we've got the purple star. We're missing the gummy stars.
Yeah, I couldn't find either of those two. I think they're hidden. I think he hid them.
On this hand, I mean, your dye isn't fully mixed in, but the color's pretty close. You're also missing gummy stars, but I think the winner is clear. The giant hands take a round, which means Andrew wins the challenge, and Christy has to wear the giant hands for the rest of the day. But overall, tiny hands seem to be the clear winner here, winning 5 out of 6 rounds. So that answers the question that tiny hands are better than giant hands. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.